Good morning Standard 7 students. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to write debate. Before starting debate, I like to say something on debate. Debate is one kind of fighting. Now you will be surprised to hear that what sir is telling. Yes, it is one kind of fighting, but not with arms. इसमें कोई लाठी डंडा बंदूक का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है. Just it is between the two persons and in orally. So let's start. Now here you can see debate writing. First of all, let me give the introduction of debate. Now what is debate? I told you that debate is one kind of fighting. Yes, debate is a formal disagreement. Here we do not use any arms. Just it is done between two persons. Here you can see the diagram of two persons. One is pro and one is con. Now let me tell you what is pro. Pro, the person who is for the motion. मतलब जो आदमी डिबेट का फॉर में होगा वो है प्रो. एंड व्हाट इज कॉन? द पर्सन हु इज अगेंस्ट द मोशन और ऑपोजिंग, ही इज कॉल्ड टू बी एज अ कॉन. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ प्रो. प्रो मीन्स प्रोपोजिशन and con means opposition. Opposition means विरोध. Order of debate. You see, in the debate two persons are required and basically they is to put their logical reasons on which topic they are discussing. Now here you see the first proposition and second opposition. First opposition. So first proposition and first opposition gets 5 minutes time in the first round, and after that they are given more time to elaborate the topic in the second round, and that's why it becomes the second proposition and second opposition. In the debate, first proposition speaks first. मतलब the person who is speaking for the motion, he starts first. The most important thing to remember is that a debate is an organized disagreement in which each side gets an equal chance to present. So, debate is an organized disagreement. मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक हो उसका फॉर्म में होगा तो उसमें बताएगा और जो उसका विरुद्ध में है वो अपना लॉजिकली रीजन देगा. Suppose when the debate is going on and if any person tells wait a minute, जब डिबेट चलता है अगर कोई wait a minute बोलता है, it means it is a POI, points of interruption, and he gets only 15 seconds to interrupt between the debate. Now let me tell you how to write debate by your own. Here the three types I have written for you. That is type 1, respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends. My name is, अगर टॉपिक में अपना नाम कोई नाम दिया रहेगा तो you have to write that name, otherwise you have to write your own name. And then you continue like this way, and I stand before you to express my views in favor or against of the motion. That is the topic, जो टॉपिक दिया रहेगा. Or you can write in the another way, which is type 2. You can start like this way. Honorable judges and my dear friends, I am any name. My any name means what the topic. If any name is given, then you write that name, or you can write your own name. And you can continue like this way. And I start before you to express my views against or for the motion. That is the topic. So, in the first type, it is said in the school, because in the school their teachers are there, principals are there. But when you go for any competition, then you can write like this way as it is given in the type 2, or you can write in the type 3. Respected chairperson, members of the jury, and my worth opponents. Here the worth means Adarniya. I am, again, if the name is given in the topic, you have to write that name and you have to continue. And if the name is not given, then you have to write your name. You can tell your name and I can continue like this way. And I stand before you to express my views against or for the motion, that is the topic. Now you can start like this way. Begin with respected principal, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. So before studying the debate, you can use this one. So worthy teachers means Adarniya Shikshak Mahashayagan. Then you have to introduce the topic. On what topic you are telling the debate. Next, you have to choose your side, whether you will tell in the favor of the motion or against the motion. Then topic should be expressed forcefully and clearly. Use argumentative style and logical reason. Also argue with relevant information. उसका बाद बहस. Debate is one kind of बहस. तो इसमें you have to give the logical reasons. बेफालतू इसमें बातें नहीं किया जा सकता है. जो टॉपिक है उसी टॉपिक का आधार पर you have to give the reasons. You can use the following expressions preparing your own argument. Now here are some lines I have written for you which you can use in the debate. I would like to raise a question. अगर your opponent is telling something, you can write this line. In my opinion, you can use what you think. I feel very strongly that on the topic that you are telling. I would like to present my views. I am amazed by the views expressed by the opponent or by the person who is telling in the favor of the debate. I would like to draw attention of the people who is sitting in front of you, or the audience who are sitting in front of you, or the opponent who is with you. I fail to understand. If you don't understand what opponent is saying, you can use this line. I submit that. And then you continue. My first, next, final argument against or in favor of the topic. May I ask? You can ask any question to the opponent. I strongly oppose or support the views. So you can use this line. On the contrary, you can also, after that you continue by telling this line. How can he be so ignorant as to say? Suppose अगर कोई opponent कोई ऐसा बात बोला है जो तुमको अच्छा नहीं लगा, then you can use this line. I totally disagree with the view what the opponent is telling. I condemn. I firmly reject. If the opponent tells such a thing, then you can use this line. I firmly reject what the opponent is telling. I wholeheartedly oppose or support. I support the motion. So dear students, you will copy down this thing in your copy so that when you write debate, you can use this what I have taught today in this video. In my next video, I will give you one debate and you will write it, or I will write for you as an example. So stay with me for the next video where I am going to give you debate. Have a nice day. Thank you.